This is a video showing assistive technology in use for people with low vision. It has been developed as part of an EU-funded research project called ENTELIS+, which aims to develop people's digital skills in accessibility so that they can fully participate in the digital society.
My name is Josephine Bergstrand. I'm 31 years old and I live in Stockholm. I have a visual impairment that makes it difficult for me to see things at a distance, and also small things, like for example, letters in a book or a magazine. It is caused by damage to my optic nerve that happened when I was 7 years old. So, it cannot be corrected with eyeglasses or contact lenses. I just see as much as I see. I use a computer and smartphone, both at work and in my spare time, to, for example, send an email, put things in my calendar, search for information on the internet, and so on. In order for this to work, I have to use assistive technology, such as magnification program, that simply enlarges the screen so that things will be bigger. It can be text or pictures, different kinds of information. It's not the same thing as using a magnification glass, which magnifies only a small part of the screen. With this program, I get the whole screen enlarged so that I can move around either with a mouse pointer when it's on a computer or with different finger gestures when it's on a phone. On my computer, I also often use speech synthesis, which is simply a voice that reads aloud what is shown on the screen. I use it mostly to rest my eyes, if I, for example, have to read a lot. In my free time, I mostly use my smartphone with magnifying program to write in my calendar, book trips, check schedule of public transport. On my phone, I also use an assistive technology that's called magnifier to enlarge things that I can't see in my surroundings, like for example signs in a grocery store. Thanks to this program, I can then take a picture of the sign and magnify it, so it's easier for me to see what's on it.
Get in touch by visiting the project website entelisplus.entelis.net or via the Twitter account @entelisnet. The ENTELIS Plus project has been carried out by a consortium of European partners, including Funca, the European University of Cyprus, Atempo, Margarita Vocational Training Centre, the European Association of Service Providers for People with Disabilities, the Association for the Advancement of Assistive Technology in Europe, the Association of European Border Regions, St John of God Community Services, Aish Bologna, and Johannes Kepler University in Linz. The ENTELIS Plus project is co-funded by the Erasmus Plus programme of the European Union. Key Action 3: Support for policy reform. This video reflects the views only of the author, and the European Commission cannot be held responsible for any use which may be made of the information contained therein.